don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan and QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Al Hilal 2. I'm joined by Nicolas Cage. Stivo.
Coach Arna Braga, Erbalai, listening Erbala. I'm feeling enough chance. Management, what is it they doing? For Rafael keep it at those forward. Come now, we are letting stock. Yes, because you know, Artera like left and right. Yes, forward. Level up and it's very shaky. We are not consistent. Midfield are not consistent. Coach must go. Coach must follow. Must
the coach go?
Tonight.
Must the coach go tonight?
Today. We want beat.
Yeah.
Money is not the problem with Sundowns. They run like him, local coach too much money. The money was we need new coach, period. Yes. We are playing nonsense football. Yeah. Pirates overtaking. They are playing better football than us. So we need new coach.
Thank you, Rudman.